Hello, I'm Ritz Kalambakal from Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation. What I loved about Miss Tony's training is that it's really fun, lively, and very educational. No? Me as one of the most tenured trainers in our department, marami pa rin po talaga akong kailangan matutunan. And in this training, it made me realize those points na kailangan ko pang improve. And in fact, one of the most remarkable learnings that I have is the Monroe structure na kung saan meron palang tamang paraan para magsabi or magkwento ng storya. So ito rin ay mai-apply ko every time I conduct training, not only training, when I present a project or proposal to my bosses. So yun, napakalaking tulong para sa akin. Especially by next year, I will be assigning to operations. So different audience yung aking kakaharapin. I believe malaking tulong ito. Ito naging training nito. Maraming salamat, Miss Tony Miranda. And kudos and God bless. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Joey Abes from Toyota Motor Philippines. So what I love most with Miss Tony's training is about providing a deep sense of being a trainer. So it's not just only about confidence, but defining a certain sense of becoming a powerful trainer that makes significance to your trainees. So I'd like to mention some that it's not about just only confidence, just to speak out, but at least to give you a structure. Yung structure na sinasabi nga natin on how we can be more effective, relatable, at the same time providing significance to our trainees. So I think yun yung pinaka talagang takeaway ko from the whole of everything. That's why I took so many notes about. So thank you, Miss Tony, for providing such a structure in my manner of doing training. So definitely this one will be used in the next sessions. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Darius from Toyota Motor Philippines Manufacturing Division. So what I love about Miss Tony's training is, first, this session is full of fun, yet serious in its session. It opens my mind, particularly, I think that is a common ground for all trainers, yung may mga problems talaga when it comes to delivering the speeches or the delivering of their materials. So for me, ang trigger talaga ng clarity ko or confidence is people, position, and profession. So thank you, Miss Tony, for teaching us how to overcome these triggers. And also to HR, I'd like to recommend this session na kung talagang gustong maging trainer ng ating mga team members, I think this should be like a trainer's 101, basic 101. Again, thank you very much, Miss Tony, for having with us today.
Hello, I'm Brian Pilon from Toyota Motor Philippines. What I love about Miss Tony's training is I have three words. Number one is it reminds about my identity in Christ. And next is the comparison. It reminds me that comparison creates division. And it reminds me that we have to celebrate one another. Ano yung mga strength natin, ano yung strength ng mga kasama natin. And lastly is we are not only here to teach and train people, but of course to inspire them. Thank you.